Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla and we are going to get into an Ipsy unboxing. So don't mind the noise that's kind of around. Doing laundry and it's not quiet. It sounds like the machine wants to explode, basically. So let's get into it. As usual, it looks like this and we're just gonna get right into it, alright? Also, I tried out the new Huda Beauty electric palette and I like it. It's a lot more pastel than what I thought it was going to be. It looks a little different in the pan, but so far so good. Alright, so there's some stuff outside of the bag. So this is a 5-minute facial mask with tea tree oil, yada yada. So there are 2 in here. So that's that. That's the first thing we have, which is pretty cool. Next, this is what the bag looks like. It's got like not a felt material, but just feels a little wonky. And you've got the little Ipsy tag at the top. Let's get into it. So we've got the tag, the tag that I never read. So we're just gonna put that over there. First up, we have a brush, and this is from Luxie Brushes, which is something that I usually get. Like in terms of brushes, I'm pretty sure it's usually always Luxie from them. And this is the Luxie 249, and it's got 2 different ends to it. There's that guy, and there's that guy. So that's pretty cool. Always use more brushes. I haven't bought brushes in forever because I just keep getting them in Ipsy bags, and it's great. Next, we have the Marsk by Sydney London, and this is a loose pigment, and it's called Foiled Again. I'm afraid to open this. Oh, apparently they were afraid for it to open too, because there is a little tab over here that I'm trying to get off. But this appears to be the shade. Focus. Focus. Yeah, that's as good as it's gonna get. But it's like a silvery shade. Oh my gosh. There's a green thing on there too. So they really don't want this to go anywhere. I'm assuming they know, well, they would know how loose pigments can get quite messy. I have one Makeup Forever orange loose pigment eyeshadow and I love it, but holy cow, does that stuff go everywhere. So this has a lot of glitter in it. Ooh, it's pretty though. Oh, it's super pretty. It's kind of sheer, like you'd need a couple layers or even to use it as a topper, but that is gorgeous. So that is a total win for this month, and I have it all over my finger now. Next we have, what is this? Très Chic Mini Eye Pencil. It's interesting. It looks like an eye pencil on the outside. And then, okay, so it already broke. Come here. Well, I guess this is a good opportunity to show you get a decent amount of product in here. I'm probably just gonna throw this out because it's now broken. But that's in between my fingers, me holding that. That is how much product you get. So that's kind of a bummer. I might send them an email about that. That's gross. Next we have from Ofra. This is a long-lasting liquid lipstick, and it's called Ipsy Unzip. I guess that's the color. I don't know. It's pretty cool. It's that guy right there. And that is the shade right there. So that's actually super pretty right there. And yeah. So that was this month's Ipsy, and it's going to be uploaded very shortly because I've been slacking on some stuff. Alright, have a great day, and see you in the next video. Remember, I am doing a 100 subscriber giveaway, so if you want to be entered into that, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're getting to about to the halfway point at this point, so subscribe.